We would like to discuss is about the ISI mark. ISI is a mark which specifies that the product has been tested before coming to the market. The product has been tested well regarding its capacity, regarding its break point, and ISI point ensures that whatever product which we are buying fulfills its specification at the fullest, and so it gives us a reliability, and it is also a mandate as per our Indian standard. In electrical appliances, in electrical wires, ISI mark is a must. The ISI mark comes with a IS standard, that is the code given regarding the functionality of the product, followed by a CM/L and a 7-digit license number. The selection of the proper wire as per the loads. So as per our standard, it is mandate or it is better to use the same wire gauge for phase, neutral and earthing. Phase, neutral and earthing. The phase color for a 3-phase system consists of 3 colors: red, yellow and blue. The neutral is of black color and the earthing is of green color. For a single phase system, the phase wire is of red color, the neutral wire is of black color and the earthing wire is of the green color. And the wire should be selected as per your load. As for general example, for a lighting circuit, the standard wire gauge is 1.5 square mm for phase, neutral and earthing. Similarly, as you move to higher load, the wire gauge increases. We must ensure that the wiring which we are use have a proper insulation, the wiring is not damaged. In many cases we have seen that electrical wiring gets damaged due to poor workmanship. Such type of naked wire where insulation has been damaged may result in electrical shock in contact with a human, and also may result in a electrical fault or electrical short circuit if two uninsulated wires comes in contact with together. So a damaged wiring or a damaged wire may lead to electrocution, may relate to shock, or may also sometimes can cause fire accidents. So it must be ensured that all the insulation of the electrical cables and wires are proper and are not damaged. If such type of damaged wire insulation is found, then such type of wires must be replaced by a good insulated wire base. RCCB stands for residual current circuit breaker and is a type of circuit breaker that trips whenever you come in direct contact with the electrical appliances where there are chances of electrical shock, or within a minimal electrical leakage in a earthing wire. The RCCB will trip and ensure that no electrical shock is caused to human or any appliances or wiring that are being connected with the electrical system are not being damaged by the earthing leakage. So RCCB comes with a minimal protection of a 10 milliampere leakage current that is not available in any other protection equipment. So for the protection of shock and for the protection of appliances due to earthing fault, it is better to use a RCCB at your DB for safety reasons. Earthing system is the system that transfers the discharge of the electrical energy direct to the ground or direct to the earth, thus reducing the probability of shock or electrocution that may be caused to a human being. So earthing is a very important aspect of an electrical wiring system, either be it for electrical appliances or for power circuits or for lighting circuits. Earthing is the heart of the electrical wiring for safety reasons. So it must be ensured that all the earthing connections have been made properly. All your plug are of 3-pin plug types. The larger terminal at the top side of your socket is the earthing terminal that must be always connected with the earthing wire of proper gauge as per your phase and neutral as per your load. And all the electrical appliances should be separately earthed, and the MS boxes that are used in your electrical for mounting of electrical switch and sockets must be provided with a body earthing because they are of metal. so the chance of conducting electrical current in a metal is higher in case of any electrical leakage. So they must be also kept earth, and a proper earthing system will ensure that you are safe from an electrical shock and all your leakage currents are being passed to the earth, thus protecting your appliances and yourself. We would like to talk about the electrical layout or the position at which you are fixing your electrical switch socket boards or your appliances. It must be ensured twice before installation. Once while you are following the electrical drawing, and once while your installation is being done at the site, because drawing and site conditions may differ. So it must be ensured while installations that the installation is being made in a place where there is no probability of water falling on the switch or the switch socket boards, or in any contact with a thing that is a flammable. Maybe such in kitchen, for example, in a kitchen it is not near to a gas stove or a cooking oven. In a bathroom, your switch and sockets are not installed at a position where water from shower or any other water sources pipeline may fall on the switch and socket, resulting in accident. Similarly, in a dry area like a living dining area or a kids room or a bedroom, it must be ensured that the switch socket positions are at a height where the children or the kids of your family may not reach up to that switch and socket for their safety purposes. So all these safety issues must be added and checked before installation of your switch and socket boards or your appliances in your home or office. Electricity is a basic need for our life, but a improper electrical wiring system results in various type of faults, and it is being seen and it has been seen in the past also that various accidents, a small or of very higher rate, has been due to electrical wiring faults at places. So the basic idea or the basic objective of discussing these points is just to ensure or to give a guideline to relating the basic things that must be checked during our electrical wiring or electrical appliances installation.